thank you for watching. A few weeks ago I posted a video on me installing the Nest Thermostat E and fucking it up big time. And after doing a lot of research, turns out that the Nest Thermostat E is not compatible with my system. It is installed at the moment, running, but only for the AC. The heat will not work. If I put it on heat, put it on, and nothing will happen. The radiators will never get hot. But when I do the test, the radiators will get hot. So after doing some research, turns out my system is not compatible with the Thermostat E, Nest Thermostat E, that I will need the regular Nest Learning Thermostat. So I order it Sunday, got here today. This is the unboxing in all his glory. This is the chrome one, whatever it's called, chrome or aluminum or whatever you want to call it, stainless steel. There you go. And of course I'm gonna be doing the installation, changing this to this, the Nest Learning Thermostat in all his glory. This installation was as easy as eating an apple pie, after I screwed up the first time and the other one, but thanks to my daughter husband, he's an electrician, he went up in the attic and he replaced the fuse that I burned by accidentally touching the cables, because I became so lazy that I didn't want to keep going downstairs to shut the cable off, the breaker off, and that's what I get. Anyway, there it is. So it's October 3rd. I got this back in June, July, when the pandemic was going, and I have gotten the regular Thermostat E, Nest E, that did not work with my heating system. So I got this. I'm finally gonna get to unbox it and install. Let's see, you already seen my other video where I fucked up the installation of the Nest E. Now I know what I'm doing, and since this is compatible with my system, I'm gonna do the installation. So bear with me one moment. Let me put the camera down for a second. It had this little thing on the side of the box, so there it sits. Nest Thermostat, silver. I'm gonna put it in a charger. I'm gonna set it up first, and then I'm gonna install it. Comes in the box. Comes with this neat screwdriver and the base. Since I already have the other base installed, I'm gonna install this over it, and that's it. So I'm gonna run the setup first on my phone. I'm gonna plug it into charge. you got charging port right there. So hold on. Alright, so it's charging. Let me get my phone. So since I already have the application, I'm just gonna run the add-on over here. I'll be back. He actually requires me to attach it to his base before it runs the setup, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I already shut the power off downstairs, so I'm gonna put this down and take it off. So it's good that I saved the old pictures for the setup. So here we go. So the new thermostat came with a plate, so you can set it and then put the other plate over it. So I just did. So as you all know, the Nest uses a accelerometer, so it has a little built-in level. It's right there, all set. Let's see. There you go. Now I can tie it down. Now to connect the wires, exactly as you saw in the other video, the white, the two reds, that's the one that I'm gonna refer to my video. Alright, so all the wires are connected. This is supposed to be for the heat pump. Now let me go get the base. Not the base, the thermostat. So, and my camera's running low. So, what I gotta do, connect this. And go turn the breakers back on. And continue with the setup. Alright, so English, internet connection. Alright, I'll be back for that. So I just connected it to my Wi-Fi. Alright. I guess Okay, my location. Yes, single family. Near the bathroom. Equipment. Homeowner. Continue. Okay. So these two are reverse, maybe? I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna go turn on the power and I'll be back. Alright. So continue. Well, let's try that heater. Done. System test. Test now. I hear something. Gotta wait a few minutes. Oh yeah, I feel water coming through. Takes a while. Well, I had to continue filming with my iPhone because my camera is going dead. But yep, it's getting hot. Yeah, very hot. There's no point in trying now, but let's look at this radiator. Yep, it's getting hot too. So now we go. Okay, now cooling. I hear the compressor kicking. No point on me showing you, you can see the air. But I feel some cool air coming out. Yep. All right. next app. Yes. Alright, so I just gotta add that. Alright, so all the installation is done. Finish. Let's pull it to cool. Yep, I hear. The Nest Thermostat Learning Thermostat is on. I set it up on my app. Basically I have it on automatic. Heat 69, cool 73. The inside temperature is 71. So it's comfortable. What can I say? This installation was easier. I should have got this thermostat in the beginning. It would have been all done. But what can you do? Anyway, thank you guys for watching.